Morning, candidates. This is for Karnataka Bank um, clerk as well as probationary officers test. I'm just sharing some of the important points regarding government schemes. The first one is Atal Pension Yojana. It is run under the Ministry of Finance. Current Finance Minister is Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman. She has been selected to Rajya Sabha through Karnataka, and it is administered by PFRDA, that is Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority. See, this is a scheme which is run by post office and also in the banks, where the people not, that is those who are not employed in organized sector between the age of 18 to 40 years, they can join the scheme. It is for Indian citizens only. Atal Pension Yojana is a scheme under the Government of India. This scheme replaces the Swavalamban Yojana and was established to provide old age income security to workers belonging to unorganized sector. From 1st October 2022, any citizen who is or has been an income taxpayer is not eligible to join Atal Pension Yojana. What is the benefit of this scheme? Subscribers would receive monthly pension after 60 years, that is 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 or 4,000 or 5,000 from the age of 60 years. In the case of premature death of subscriber, that is death before 60 years, spouse of the subscriber can continue contribution to APY account of the subscriber for the remaining vesting period till the original subscriber would have attained the age of 60 years. Mode of contribution: subscribers can make contribution on monthly or quarterly or off-yearly basis. How many accounts can be opened by a subscriber? A subscriber can open only one APY account and it is unique. Multiple accounts are not permitted. As per the Ministry of Finance report, total enrollment under Atal Pension Yojana has crossed 6 crore and 44 lakh as on 20th March 2024. So these are some of the important points regarding Atal Pension Yojana. Second scheme is about Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. These schemes are important for telling about financial inclusion. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, launched in 2015 and is run by Ministry of Finance. Age limit 18 to 50 years. A risk coverage, it is a life insurance. Risk coverage 2 lakhs in the case of death of the insured. Then the scheme is offered by LIC and all other life insurance companies. For those getting enrolled under PMJJBY for the first time during the middle of the policy period, payment of pro rata premium is allowed as under. For enrollment in June, that is for entire year, it is 436. After 3 months, it is 342. After 6 months, it is 228. After 9 months, it is 114. Full year premium 436. And any NRI having an eligible bank account with a bank branch located in India is eligible for purchase of PMJJBY. And however, in case of claim arises, claim benefit to be paid to beneficiary or nominee in Indian currency. The scheme is a 1-year cover of term life insurance. Status, it has completed 9 years. Under the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, 19.85 crore enrollment has taken place. as on March 24. Next one, Scheme 3, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. It is launched from 9th May 2015, Ministry of Finance. It is a accidental benefit scheme whereby, say, the coverage is for the extent of 2 lakhs in case of permanent disability or accidental death. For partial disability is 1 lakh. Premium is only 20 rupees. It is paid from 1st June. Earlier it was 12 rupees. The scheme is offered by public sector general insurance companies or any other general insurance company. Enrollment of the scheme can be done by visiting the bank branch or the bank correspondent point or website of the bank holder or at the post office. The premium under the scheme is auto debited every year. Covered permanent total disability with a coverage of 2 lakhs, permanent partial disability with a coverage of 1 lakh, accident leading to policyholder's death with coverage of 2 lakh. Next scheme number 4, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. It's a good scheme. It is under the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, collateral free institutional credit up to 20 lakh is provided by member lending institutions, that is scheduled commercial banks, regional rural banks, non-banking finance companies, and microfinance institutions to micro small business units for income generating activities in the manufacturing, trading, or services sector, and also for activities allied to agriculture. Quantum of loan up to 50,000 Sishu, up to 5 lakhs Kishore, 5 lakhs 1 to 20,000 Tarun. Tarun, of course, 20,000 up to 10 lakhs it is allowed. Above 10 lakhs, it is for people who have earlier availed loan and adjusted. Loan sanction last financial year 5.28 lakh crore. Mudra's refinance assistance will be for a maximum tenor of 36 months, which will also be aligned to the term of allotment of Mudra funds by RBI from time to time. So that is for fourth scheme, Mudra scheme. Next, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. It was introduced from 2014. I think most of us will be aware of. It is known as nil balance account, no frills account. The slogan of the scheme, Mera Kata Vagya Vidhata, my account fate restorer. Mera Kata Vagya Vidhata. It is run by Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana account can be opened by people in the age limit of 18 to 65 years. The main feature of the scheme include one basic savings bank deposit account for every unbanked adult. Under the scheme, PMJDY, a free RuPay debit card is provided with inbuilt accident insurance of rupees 2 lakh. Then OD limit of rupees 10,000. OD up to 2,000 without conditions. Then in the original scheme, government has announced life insurance cover of 30,000 to their account holders, but this has been discontinued from March 2020. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana accounts are eligible for direct benefit transfer, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, and Mudra scheme also. There is no requirement to maintain any minimum balance. Deposit in such accounts earn interest as per the bank's rate of interest. Over 3 crore Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana to be opened in financial year 25. As on date, 53.13 crore operative accounts as on August 14, with a balance of over 173 crore operative CASA, current savings account as on no, no, there are PMJDY account 53.13 crore, total CASA account 173 crore, 2.3 lakh crore deposit balance in 53.13 crore Jan Dhan accounts. Top states of this: Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. Top states in balances: Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Yeah. Next one, NPS Vatsalya scheme. A new pension scheme named Vatsalya scheme has been proposed for minors by Union Finance Ministry in the budget 2024-25. It is a scheme under the National Pension Scheme. It is designed to help parents and guardians plan their for children's future financial needs. Under this scheme, parents or guardians can open account for their minor children and make contributions towards retirement savings. Funds will accumulate until the child turns 18. Once the child reaches adulthood, the accumulated amount will be transferred to standard NPS account. This plan could be seamlessly converted into non-NPS plan when the child becomes an adult. The scheme operates similarly to existing NPS. Proposed NPS Vatsalya scheme would allow partial withdrawal before subscriber turns 18. Some important key facts about NPS. It is a voluntary retirement benefit scheme introduced by Government of India to facilitate regular income post-retirement for all subscribers. A citizen of India, resident, non-resident, or an overseas citizen of India can open. It helps individuals build retirement corpus. It is based on a unique permanent account number. NPS account prawn will remain same irrespective of changes in employment. Contributions to the NPS are eligible for tax deduction under Section 80C. But nowadays it is irrelevant because under the new scheme of income tax, there's no deductions. PFRDA is the governing body for NPS. So we have covered about 6 schemes today, and I will cover with two more schemes. Number seventh scheme, National Green Hydrogen Mission, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Sri Prahlad Joshi is the current minister. The Union Cabinet approved National Green Hydrogen Mission of an outlay of 19,744 crore. Following components: facilitating demand creation through exports and domestic utilization, strategic intervention for green hydrogen transition program, development of green hydrogen hubs, public awareness and outreach program, then skill development program. It has an outlay of 600 crore. This is 102% increase from the previous year's budget. The green hydrogen production capacity envisaged by 2030 is likely to leverage our 8 lakh crore in total investments in green hydrogen industry. Mission is expected to reduce cumulative rupees 1 lakh crore worth of fossil fuel imports. It is for substituting fuel, adding around 125 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity by 2030. It is under new and renewable energy. The National Institute of Solar Energy will be scheme implementation agency. Depending on the nature of method of extraction, hydrogen is categorized into three categories: gray, blue, and green. Next one, Smart Cities Mission. It's a good scheme. It was introduced in 2015, outlay 2,400 crore. Centrally sponsored scheme. The aim is to provide core infrastructure, clean and sustainable environment. 100 cities across the country. On the financial progress, mission has been allocated Government of India budget of 48,000 crore for the 100 cities. Uttar Pradesh has the highest share of 13, followed closely by Tamil Nadu 12 cities and 10 in Maharashtra. The projects under Smart Cities Mission to be developed through private-public partnership. Recent updates. The Government of India has extended centrally sponsored Smart Cities Mission until 31st March 2025. Scheme was originally to end in 30th June 2024. More than 8,000 plus multi-sectoral projects are developed. They have 7,188 projects. Government of India has released 46,585 crore. It has extended a mission up to 31st March 2025. It has been extended at the request of the state governments. No new projects will be sanctioned. Karnataka topped the list of states with most completed projects under the mission, followed by Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Thank you, friends. I have covered 8 schemes today. Other schemes we will cover in our next video. For materials for Karnataka Bank clerk as well as probationary officers, please Gpay rupees 499 and screenshot to my WhatsApp account. Thank you. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Bye.